Joe shops on military bases because there is no sales tax. Joe bought a $300 Xbox and some $50 controllers. If his total bill was $450, how many controllers did he buy? So, like all these other y equals mx plus b problems, the best thing to do is put y equals mx plus b on the board. And we want to see which are these going to take the place of. Which of these numbers is going to replace which of those letters? So, $300 Xbox. Well, you only need one of those in order to play a game, so that's going to be our fixed cost, our B term. Then we look at our $50 controllers. Well, that could go, up till 4, right? So let's just assume that, we don't know how many he has, but we do know that that's how much he's paying per. So we definitely see that as a rate, our M term, right? Our unit rate. Anytime you see per, you want to remember that that is an indicator for your M or any kind of rate. And then you have $450 as his total bill. So that's going to be very easily worded as our total cost, our Y term. So what we see is we want to replace these numbers into the letters now that we know what they are. So 450 equals 50 times X plus 300. So now all we have to do is get X by itself. And at this point we want to remember reverse PEMDAS. So remember, we're going to subtract 300. Subtract 300, so this cancels out. And you're left with 150 equals 50 times X. That's 50 X's, right? And now you just want to get X by itself. I'm going to rewrite this here for the sake of space. 150 equals 50x. And so what's the function between 50 and x? That's multiplication. Therefore, the opposite function, or dividing, is what we want to do here. 50. And what we ultimately see is that x is going to equal 3, or x equals 3. And this is now seen to be representing our number of units, our number of controllers. So he got 3 controllers, and that's good because after 4 you're kind of getting ridiculous with Xbox controllers.